Let's hop into the highway and we'll see what's up. Holy moly. And as always, doing something tricky. So what I got here, basically the engine flush, which takes only 5 minutes to clean your engine, and especially for BMW. I don't know if the factory is suggesting to do it. It's kind of questionable, but I still want to try it. It's not gonna be like we're gonna be doing something crazy. It's more gonna be test driving after all and see how does it perform. Do we experience any type of difference? And as I read some forums and stuff like that, people saying that thing can actually not only prevents, it can help with existing problem, which is the ticking noise. Apparently ticking noise, it's lifters, which is kind of a pretty common problem for those engines at N52, in some case N54, but mainly, like I said, mainly N52 from 2006 or 2007 all the way to 2009, because in 2009 they've been some type of changes was in the engine, so they kind of fixed that issue, some sort of. Anyway, let's proceed to putting that stuff inside of the engine, then change the oil, and then do the test drive, and we'll see how does it perform. Okay, pop in there. Only smells like gas or something like that, and we'll see what it's gonna do for the engine. Definitely really interesting about it. Okay guys, underneath we don't need to remove any type of shielding there. Apparently it's 13 mil. Okay. Here I have two containers which is only can hold 6 quarters. And approximately we have 7 quarters inside. Okay, container, got that successfully. It sits for 15 minutes. 8261 tool socket for the oil filter or just regular clamps. Stuff what we got inside of the filter, it's not the oil, it's some type of just really light liquid, and it still have the oily structure. Chemical probably doing pretty good stuff, because some sort of I had a little brownish color inside of it, of the filter case. Maybe not, maybe yes, who knows, but I would say it's pretty good. I already replaced the 2 O-rings, the green one at the top. Use the pin tool, slightly fish it underneath, remove it, slide the new one in there. Just use a little bit of lubrication, but same way with the bigger one here, which is just loop it, scoop it from the underneath and then loop it, the new one on the top in there. Then with the filter, letters to the top, and we simply sliding it on until it's nice and snug. Don't push it too hard. It's been a good 30 minutes. Let's install our plug back. Okay, I think that's gonna be enough. Put our filter in. The oil what I'm using, 0W40, the Mobil one. From that stage, I'm gonna mount the camera in there and we'll test drive it. Are we good with for the oil? Because we got 7 quarts in there. And the first start. For right now, it's little different. I don't know, might be my expectation were just this way, but I feel the car is much smoother. Let's hop into the highway and we'll see what's up. The engine is super quiet. Let's push it farther. Okay, speed limits. Okay, that was a great experiment. Okay, I don't want to do that and put the car in a type of sport mode and a start, just pushing it too hard, but it is what it is. Holy moly. Okay, that was a great experiment. First, I did not hear any ticking noise. Everything which is over 3500 from the cold start and right whenever I'm getting onto the highway, every single time I'm getting this like annoying ticking noise, like pretty like crispy tick. The second you feel like engine just wanted to break down. It definitely was lifters and it definitely was something in there, which did help the flush in the engine. Overall, we'll see how it's going to perform in a couple days. Camera just died and we're back home. I got the new battery in there, but back to the thing. I think we succeed on 80-90% because we're going all the way up to 5500 RPM and the car never had the ticking noise coming from the engine bay. It was straight, smooth, nice engine noise, and I'm really happy with the results because every single time I was going above 3,500-4,000 RPM, engine was like making a ticking noise. The day two after we flushed the engine, actually almost nighttime, 8:30. So, and it's great. If you like the video, guys, please put the thumbs up button there, subscribe my channel, and leave me a comment below.